Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and it's January 2018, so it's time for another What's on My Device video. So in today's video, we're going to be focusing on my Moto Z to see exactly the kind of applications that I'm going to be using on a regular basis. Now, we're not going to be discussing every application on my phone, as some of them you would have seen a ton in the past, so we're going to be focusing on my most used. Now, if you're wondering where my iPhone video is, that's going to be linked in the description below, or as part of my playlist for my What's on Device videos. So, let's take a look. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is my main and only home screen that I've currently got on my Moto Z. Now it's my most used applications, and I don't have any other screens apart from the one over here to the right, which is what I use for applications that I'm going to be testing or for upcoming videos. For instance, this icon back video, which is going to be coming in about a week's time. Now on the main screen, you can see that I've got all the applications that I would normally use on a regular basis. So things like the calendar, Google Drive, Gmail, the Play Store, the settings application, and I've then got my most used applications down here in the dock. Instagram is my main social network of choice, and I use it pretty much all of the time, and you guys can follow me, and I'm going to have it all linked in the description down below for both my personal account and also the new Copper vs Glass Instagram. So if you guys want to get some behind the scenes and also some pictures before they're live here on the channel, that's going to be the best way to do so. I've then got Google Maps for any navigation needs, Google Photos, which is a really great way to back up any photos that you may have, and I would definitely recommend it if you're not using it already. Even those people out there that are going to be using an iPhone, I personally use an iPhone as my daily driver, and Google Photos works perfectly to back up every single photo that I take. My main music streaming service of choice is going to be Spotify, and again, this is one of those applications that I use on a very regular basis. Whether I've got music on in the background while I'm editing a video or just searching up for some new music, this is a great way to do so. You've got the radio feature, which allows you to get certain songs and certain playlists based on any song that you've got in your library, and this for me is a really awesome way to discover great music, which is something that I've only recently found. I didn't know that you could pick a song in Spotify and then listen to other songs based on that song, so this is a really great way to do so if you want to find some new music that is pretty similar to what you're already listening to. We've also then got the YouTube application, which is the app that I use pretty much on a daily basis, whether that's checking out how my channel is looking on mobile or just getting some inspiration from other tech YouTubers out there. This is a really awesome app, but I'm pretty sure you knew that already. As we go into my app drawer, you're going to see that it's a little bit different to previous What's on My Android videos. And the reason for that is my main daily driver at the moment isn't actually this device or any Android device. It's actually my iPhone 7 Plus. However, obviously I'm still going to be keeping you guys up to date with all of the latest icon packs, wallpaper applications, widgets, and also the newest launches available, which is why I've got all of these folders just at the top here. So as you can see, as we head into my icons folder, I have a ton of different icon packs in here at the moment. Some are past icon packs that I may have featured here on the channel. Some may just be some of my favorites that I don't want to delete off the device, and some may be some up and coming icon packs that you're going to be seeing very soon here on the channel. We've then got the launchers folder. Now you're going to know that I'm always using Nova Launcher Prime at the moment. For me, it offers the best in terms of customized features and just in general what I can do with the launcher itself. However, I am going to be doing a new video for 2018 and feature one launcher each month and try and use it for a full month to see exactly how I get along with it, and this is an example of some of the ones that I'm going to be trying. We've then got my social folder, which has all of my social networks in there. So Facebook, Flamingo is my Twitter client of choice, Google+, which is actually a really awesome place to get inspiration for icon packs and wallpapers, because you get a ton of people posting their setups on there. So if you do want to get some inspiration, then I would definitely head over to Google+, even though it's not necessarily the social network that I think Google intended it to be. Again, I've got Instagram, which I mentioned before, Messages, and also Facebook Messenger as well, just to keep up to date with what my friends are doing. You've then got the Wallpapers application here, which again is some of those... Okay, I'm not sure I said any of that. But anyway, we've then got the wallpapers folder just here, which has all of the wallpaper applications that I'm either using at the time testing or some of my classics that I really enjoy. Backdrops is one of those applications that I just can't get rid of. It has some really awesome wallpapers, and for those asking about my 2018 video that I've recently posted, this is where I got that wallpaper from. Super high resolution, really crispy visuals, and I can definitely recommend it if you're looking for some awesome wallpapers. They've got a ton on here with a load of different vibrancy colors. You've got some different options, some theming options as well. So just in general, a lot of my wallpapers come from backdrops. However, the one that I'm currently using, as I mentioned, actually come from Google+. We've then got my widgets folder, and I'm just really kind of getting into widgets at the moment. For me, they are a little bit cumbersome and you don't always need them on your home screen. They're mainly there for some sort of visual flair, for example, but for me, I always at the moment are using just another widget, which is a really awesome way to get that Pixel 2 style widget on any Android device. I've done a full video about that along with some other Pixel 2 related things as well, which is going to be linked in the description down below. And to be honest guys, most of the other applications are just your standard Google applications with some Moto ones thrown in. Obviously Google Mail, Google Translate, Google Photos, Keep, Drive, they're all your standard Google applications that I do still use on my Android device, but they're not really necessary in terms of everyday use. Obviously, as I mentioned, I'm still going to be keeping you guys up to date with all of the customized features available for Android and also some apps that are going to be popular at any one time as well. But for me, because this isn't my daily driver, there's some applications that I would normally have on here, but I just don't at the moment. And that's going to do it guys for this video on what's on my Android device for January 2018. Now if you want a more in-depth look on applications that I use on a daily basis, then be sure to check out my what's on my iPhone video for January 2018, as that may have some applications on there that I use on a daily basis because it's my daily driver that you wouldn't necessarily find on my Android device. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any more applications that you want me to take a look at here on the channel, whether that's iOS or Android, let me know in the comment section down below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. For more great content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Michael, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.